Anil.
Yeah. All right. This morning we filed legal proceedings in which we are challenging the alleged revocation of the lease, and we sought certain conservatory orders or injunctions restraining the Attorney General and every other officer of the state and or government from evicting, ejecting, or in any way interfering with the peaceful and quiet occupation and possession of this building and this premises by the Cheddi Jagan Research Institute. We also applied for an order restraining all those officers whose name I mentioned just now from interfering with or removing any artifacts, any materials, any property, or any archival matter contained and stored in this building. The matter was heard this morning, and the Chief Justice said that she prefers to hear the Attorney General as well, because we went ex parte, as we are entitled to do. So at lunchtime we broke after hearing detailed arguments from myself and Ms. Manickchand. The judge said that she will order us to serve the proceedings on the Attorney General. We did that and we returned to court at 3 p.m. this afternoon. At 3 p.m. this afternoon, the Attorney General appeared and he said two significant things to the judge. One, he said that the lease was cancelled several days ago, a while now. That's what he said, a while now. And that the property has been taken possession of several days now.
Which is not true.
And therefore, the court would be acting in vain in dealing with possession, because according to him, possession has already gone, and the court would also be acting in vain in treating with the revocation of the lease, since that has already happened. I said to the judge that that is not so. That up to this morning, Mr. Hydar, who swore the affidavits on behalf of Cheddi Jagan Research Institute, came to this building this morning and removed from this building materials for me to use in my court application. And that for the entire today, the staff was here and we have never relinquished possession of this building, and possession of this building was never taken by anyone. And therefore, that's a misleading statement. When you compare it to what it was issued last night, you realize how misleading it was. Because last night, the Office of the President issued a release in which it said two things. One, that the President has indicated that he will revoke the lease, and that he has instructed Mr. Harman to take steps to remove the occupants of the building by the 31st, which is tomorrow. That is completely different from what the Attorney General reported. The bottom line is, though we have, and we got an order eventually restraining the Attorney General and every other officer of the state and or government from interfering with or removing from this building any artifacts, any material, or any property being stored here. We did not get an order in relation to possession, and I believe that that is unnecessary because we have never departed from possession. So we are maintaining possession in this building, and we have an order protecting its content. And I believe that that is sufficient to protect the status quo until we return to court. We are ordered to return to court on the 20th of February, where the Attorney General was given leave to file an affidavit and answer within 14 days, and I was given leave to reply to that affidavit whenever it is filed. So that is the update in terms of where we are in the court.